French press was my first real coffee maker, and what I would like to give you is a simple recipe that can help you out in your morning time. Use whichever French press that you want. Right now, as you can see, this is a personal French press. But the first thing that you should do when using a French press or any coffee maker is decide on the beans. You like a medium roast, dark roast, light roast? If you like a coffee that has fruity notes on it, pick that. Again, it's up to you. I would highly suggest that you start with a coarse ground. Once you selected your coffee, then you just put 2 scoops. I say start with 2. 2 will probably be where you need it to be. 3 may be a little too strong. 1, I think it's a little weak. But again, you're the captain of this ship. And if you're making it for a party, kind of decide if you're going to double it, triple it, depending on how many people that you're going to be making your coffee for. If you want, you can go ahead and use temperatures between 180 to 210. But again, that's your choice. And fill it only to the line. And then once you do that, you just wait. You wait about 4 minutes. And do something else. Have a timer or not. It doesn't have to be too exact, as long as you know what you did before in order to get that amazing cup of coffee. This recipe will get you there. And then you can doctor it, make it your own. And then after 4 minutes, you go ahead and get your spoon, agitate the grounds, put the plunger on top, slowly plunge the coffee, get your favorite cup ready to go, and then you pour slowly. And then you can just see the steam come out, and you know what's going to happen. You're just waiting for that moment. Just, really the simple things. And then once you are done pouring, you can just pick up your cup of coffee, smell it for approval, and then drink and enjoy. So that's the recipe. Really simple, easy recipe. I hope that this is helpful for you. The starting place to where you can really truly enjoy your cup of coffee, because at times, coffee can be extremely complicated. But in this case, especially with the French press, as you can see, it's really that simple.